This Gauntlet 30 has the power of a 22 long rifle. I want to see what this thing's going to do to a cinder block. It might do nothing, but let's put some rounds downrange, observe what happens, come back. If it doesn't break through, let's step things up a little bit. Shot number 1. Number 2. In 2 shots, we already put a hole through the cinder block. Let's go check this out. I'm actually surprised it went through in 2. I'm also surprised at the amount of debris that's in there. Let's try this with a Rattler. Let's get 15 rounds loaded. I'm sure it's gonna make it through in 1. But let's devastate the target. Alright, I'm gonna come back right after I load this. Alright, this should be fun. 1 shot? My guess is probably 1 shot. On that right side. 1 shot. Oh, let's see what we do to it though. Let's do some more. You know what? People said they wanted destruction. They wanted me to blow shit up. Blow shit up. Wow. Well, there you have it. The answer to the question that everyone has been asking. What does an air gun do to a cinder block? If you are grateful for this information and would like to thank me, please like and subscribe, and maybe consider becoming a member. Thank you.